Mastering building a secure IT infrastructure. IT excellence hangs by a thread of 5 decisive metrics. Where can we identify and establish the most critical key performance indicators, KPIs, that will accurately measure the overall effectiveness and operational excellence of our organization's entire IT infrastructure? Identifying and establishing the most critical key performance indicators, KPIs, is crucial to accurately measure the overall effectiveness and operational excellence of an organization's entire IT infrastructure. To achieve this, a comprehensive approach is necessary, involving multiple stakeholders and encompassing various aspects of IT operations. Here's a detailed solution to identify and establish the most critical KPIs. Step 1. Define IT infrastructure scope. Clearly define the scope of the IT infrastructure to be measured. This includes identifying all critical systems, applications, networks, and data centers that are essential to the organization's operations. This scope definition will help to focus on the most critical areas that require attention and measurement. Step 2. Identify stakeholders and their requirements. Gather input from various stakeholders, including IT teams, business leaders, customers, and end users. Identify their requirements, expectations, and pain points to understand what matters most to them. This will help to prioritize KPIs that align with their needs and concerns. Step 3. Categorize KPIs. Group KPIs into categories to organize and structure the measurement process. Common categories include availability and performance, measure IT infrastructure uptime, response times, and overall system performance. Security and compliance, track security incidents, vulnerabilities, and compliance metrics, such as patching rates and audit results. Quality and reliability, monitor system reliability, error rates, and quality of service metrics, like mean time to resolve, MTTR, and mean time between failures, MTBF. Capacity and utilization, measure resource utilization, storage capacity, and network bandwidth to ensure adequate provisioning. Customer satisfaction, monitor end user satisfaction, resolution rates, and overall customer experience. Step 4. Establish KPI targets and thresholds. Define specific targets and thresholds for each KPI to determine acceptable performance levels. These targets should be realistic, achievable, and aligned with business objectives. Establishing clear targets and thresholds enables the organization to measure progress and identify areas for improvement. Step 5. Select measurement tools and methods. Choose the right tools and methods to collect and analyze KPI data. This may include monitoring tools. Utilize tools like Nagios, SolarWinds, or Prometheus to monitor IT infrastructure performance and availability. Log analysis. Leverage log analysis tools like Splunk, ELK, or Graylog to track security incidents and system errors. Survey and feedback mechanisms. Employ surveys, Net Promoter Score, NPS, or other feedback mechanisms to gauge customer satisfaction. Automated reporting. Generate regular reports using data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Grafana to simplify data analysis and presentation. Step 6. Implement and refine the KPI framework. Implement the KPI framework, integrating the selected tools and methods. Refine the framework as needed, based on insights gathered from KPI data and stakeholder feedback. Regularly review and adjust KPI targets, thresholds, and measurement methods to ensure they remain relevant and effective. Step 7. Communicate and visualize KPI results. Present KPI results in a clear, concise, and actionable manner to stakeholders, using visualizations and dashboards. This enables informed decision-making, fosters collaboration, and encourages continuous improvement. Step 8. Cascade KPIs to IT teams and processes. Cascade the established KPIs to IT teams and processes, ensuring that each team understands their role in achieving the desired outcomes. This may involve setting team-specific KPIs, implementing process improvements, or providing training to enhance skills and knowledge. Step 9. Continuously monitor and improve. Regularly review and analyze KPI data to identify areas for improvement. Implement changes, refine processes, and adjust KPI targets as needed to ensure the IT infrastructure continues to meet the evolving needs of the organization. By following these steps, organizations can establish a robust KPI framework that accurately measures the effectiveness and operational excellence of their IT infrastructure. This comprehensive approach enables data-driven decision-making, drives continuous improvement, and enhances overall IT operations.